Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite smartphone, and in this video I would like to show the top 3 home screen widgets that you can possibly enable on this device. So first of all, if you want to get to the widget menu, you gotta either tap and hold on any vacant spot you have on your home screens, or make the following shrink and swipe. Here at the bottom part you'll get all the available icons, all the available settings. We are particularly interested in widgets, so let's go to more. Or actually, yeah, my bad. You gotta just tap on this plus button on the top left corner. And here we have all the widgets that are currently available to us, divided into convenient categories. So the first widget that I would highly recommend on adding is located at the OnePlus widgets category. So here it is. There are 3 different widgets. 3 different designs. Choose whatever you like the most. I'll go with the third design, for example, and tap and hold at the widget that you would like to add and drop it right here, for example. And once tapped and done, it will be successfully added to us. If you want to move it to another home screen, just drag it over there. The second widget that I would highly recommend that you try adding and use, if you do not already have it, of course, it's the Google search bar widget. So let's head for the Google category, and here we have the search widget. So tap and hold, choose the place where we want to drop it at. For example, I want to see it right here, and press and done. Also, I do not like the fact that this widget is so small, so I want to change its size. So I'll just tap and hold on any particular widget. So this frame appears that allows us to regulate its size. I'll make it a little wider, just like so. Alrighty, and the third and last widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the YouTube Music widget. So let's go ahead and scroll all the way down until we stumble upon the YouTube Music category. In here we have the Now Playing widget. So let's just add it. I'll drop it right here. So this widget allows you to conveniently manage the Now Playing song or your playlist in general. So here you can play pause by tapping on this button, skip the current track and get to the next one, or the same goes for the previous track as well with this button. And there is also the possibility to dislike or like any particular track that is currently playing. So as I've mentioned, a very convenient widget for listening to music through the YouTube Music streaming service. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.